How to back up WhatsApp images in Google Photos. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily back up your WhatsApp images in Google Photos. So first up, simply open up your Google Photos. So once you open up your Google Photos just like this, just tap on this your profile icon over here and make sure you have enabled the backup option. So once you turn on your backup, once again click on your profile icon over here and just head over to Photos settings as you can see over here. So once you're inside here, just tap on backup once again and scroll all the way down until you see the option called backup device folder. So as you can see, for now no device folders is included in the backup, so simply tap on it and you'll be seeing all of your social media backup option over here. So just enable this WhatsApp option just like this, and once you enable your WhatsApp option, all of your WhatsApp images or files will be backed up in Google Photos. So that is it for today guys. So that's exactly how you can easily back up WhatsApp images in Google Photos. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.